Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a rope ladder in Heartopia. First, just place a one floor, for example like this. And then next, just add rope fence and stretch the fence to the length that you want. For example, like this. Like this. And after that, just tap on save. And then just try moving the floor like this. And then if the rope fence move together with the floor like this, it means the binding work, and if it works, we can move to the next step like this. And then next, just place a wall. For example like this. And then after that, just start placing the rope fence on the wall like this. Just like this. For example like this. And then next, just use the cleats. Just tap on the check mark and the I button at the top right corner, this one and the same time. Just tap it at the same times like this until it's like this, like this. And then next, just move another rope fence and place it under the first one like this. And then just look from this side. Just look from these sides and place it slightly forward, not perfectly aligned like this. Like this, not perfectly aligned. And then just use cleats again. And then next, just continue placing the rope fence downwards until you reach the bottom. The structure that not aligned like this is important, so the ladder can actually be used to climb. And okay, like this, for example like this. And then next, just tap on save. And then just move the first floor again, so the ladder structure move with it. Like this, you can see it. You can see that the ladder move with the floor, still move with the floor like this. And then just position the ladder floating in the air and use the cleats again, for example like this. Like this. And then save. And then after that, just place the ladder wherever you want by moving the floor. For example, I want to place it on here. And your rope ladder is down like this. And make sure the floor is never deleted, because if you deleted, the floor also will be deleted. And then next, you can just try to use this rope, for example like this. You can use it. Now you have a working rope ladder in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!